Hello friends, welcome to part 54 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So we will start working on the homepage banners from this video. And in this part, we are going to create the banners table we are going to create with the help of migration. And we are going to add the dummy banners with the help of Cedar. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we are going to create the banners table with the help of migration, and we are going to run the single command php artisan make model banner -m. So this will create the migration file as well as the banner model. So this -m is for creating the migration file, and here this command is for making the model. Okay, so it will create the banner model as well as the migration file for creating the banners table. Okay, so we are going to run this command first of all for our project. So here I will go inside my project folder that is located in D drive, XAMPP, SU docs, and personal. So here it is ecom 12. I'm going to right click, show more options, open git bash here. And here I'm going to run this command that will create the banner model as well as the migration file for the banners, for creating the banners table. So see, it has done two things. It has created the banner model as well as the migration file for the banner, create banners table.php. Okay, so I'm going to open this migration file, create banner table.php, and the fields, the columns that we require to add in our database. I'm going to open the database as well, php my admin, and here see the fields that we require here. Uh, the image, type, link, title, alt, sort, status. So these are the fields that we require. Image is in image field, we are going to store the image name of the banner. Type is for like this banner is slider banner or this banner is the fixed banner like this. So link is link for the banner. Title is title for the banner, and alt is alternate text for the banner, and sort is for making the banner like if you want to show the banner at the first position, second position. Okay, so like this. And status is like you want to make the banner active or inactive. Okay, so we are going to update the schema here. We are going to replace it with this one. We are going to align it as well. Fine. And we are going to run the php artisan migrate command for our project ecom 12, so that it will create the banners table with this schema, with these columns. Okay, so here I'm going to open the ecom 12 database, and here you can see the banners table is now comes into play. Okay, you can see the structure of the banners table: image, type, link, title, alt, source, status. Okay, so it's fine. So now we are going to add the dummy banners with the help of the Cedar. Okay, so we are going to run the Cedar command, but first of all we are also going to add the banners folder. Okay, so that folder we are going to add inside public, front, images, and here you can see the other folders as well, brands, categories, logos, product site chart. And now we are going to add the banners folders as well here. Okay, so after adding the banners folder, now see we are going to insert the dummy images first of all from our template, from our multi-vendor e-commerce template that I have provided you. Okay, so here you can open the img folder and you can open this banner, okay, that we require to add in our folder. Okay, so here I'm going to add these banners here like this. Okay, we can see it like this. Okay, these are the three banners that we want to show in our admin panel. Okay, that we want to add with the help of the Cedar. Now their names we are going to add in the table. Okay, here. Okay, not the banners itself, but their names are required to be added in the table. Okay, so that for that we are going to run the Cedar command. Okay, so we are going to make that Cedar file. Now php artisan make Cedar banners table Cedar. So we are going to run this command. So now I'm going to open that file banners table Cedar, and now I am going to add here the query banners record to add these three banners that we have added in the folder. Now we are going to insert the banners images. We are going to insert the other banner details, like type is slider. Here you can see the type is slider. ID is 1 for the first banner, and 2 for the second, and 3 for the third banner. And the image is here. So you can see the carousel 1, carousel 2.jpg, carousel 3.jpg. Okay, and type you can see the all three are the slider banners. And link, there is no link right now. Okay, but the title you can see, one is having the products on sale, alt is also the products on sale, and sort here is the one, status is one. And for the second product, sort is 2 and status is 1. And for the third product, for the third image, sort is 3 and status is 1. Okay, so here alt, you can see the alt and title is flat 50% off for the second one. And you can see the title and alt is similar for all. Okay, means title and alt, we are going to make it similar, like summer sale for the title and alt for the third banner. Okay, so now I'm going to open banner table header. I'm going to replace it with this function. Here we are going to make it align it as well. Fine. So now we are going to call this banner table seeder in database seeder, but also we are going to include the model at the top. This model we are going to include at the top. See these nodes, you can able to get these nodes. Okay, if you will join as a member, then you can able to get these nodes. Okay, along with the source code, so you can always join as a member. So now I'm going to open the database table seeder. Okay, so the database header, and now I'm going to call this banner table seeder as well. Finally, we are going to run the PHP artisan db seed class banner table seeder, so that we can able to seed the table with the data. Here we are going to finally run with this command php artisan db seed class equal to banner table seeder. So it has been done, seeding is done. Now check. Yes, we able to insert the data here. You can see the image type, link. We don't have title, alt, and sort and status. We able to add in the banners table. Okay, like this we can able to use the seeder. So it is beneficial. Like if we are going to run that PHP artisan fresh seed command, then it will create those table and will also add this data. Okay, so that is really beneficial for us. Okay, anytime we can run that command PHP artisan migrate fresh seed. Okay, so all the data, all the tables will come automatically. So that's why we are creating the seeder as well as the migration for all the tables. Okay, you are not required this MySQL database. You are just required to run one command. Okay, so like this, the data has come up here, and you can see the banners table has been created. Now see, if I will run that command, I'm going to show you that if I will run that command php artisan migrate fresh seed, so it will come, whatever we have done so far, it will come again. Okay, like if I'm going to run this command, let's see it will first drop all the tables, all the header, all the tables it will drop, and after that it is going to create all the tables and all the header once again. Okay, so this is the benefit of this php artisan migrate fresh seed command. Yeah, so some issue has come. Let's see. No connection could be made because target machine. We are going to check what's the issue in database is not running, so that's why. So we're going to run once again PHP artisan migrate fresh seed. Let's see. See now. See, it created the new migrations and created new tables and seeding the database. Okay, like this. And you can now, I'm going to show you ecom12 database once again, and you can see the banners table comes once again with all the required columns. You can see that we able to fetch all the columns here as well. Okay, so it helps us to insert the data in the tables. Okay, So like this, we can able to insert the data. And one more thing I want to show you, like we can also here instead of insert, we can add the create command, I think, and it may we may able to fetch these data as well. So once again, I'm going to run that command once again. Let's see that if the creator is been updated, all dates will also come up. Let's see. See, some issue has come here. See, in this one only, what I'm going to take help from the chat GPT, and here, see, I'm going to, I'm just going to put it Discord, correct code. See, it is sending us the correct code. See, insert. See, I'm going to mention that insert. So it is going to send the records. Okay, so it is inserting the dates like this. Okay, so we can use the syntax. I'm going to mention any other alternative. See here, this one looks better. So that's why I ask him alternative. Okay, so this one is the less code and looks more meaningful. So I'm going to update that. I'm going to update that public function run. Okay, like this. Okay, what it has done, it has just put this banners records array and create it one by one. Okay, and means it one record at a time, and it inserted all the three records with the create function. So now I'm going to run that PHP artisan migrate fetch seed command. I hope that no issue will come this time. Yes, no issue has come, and now I'm going to check that must be dates must also come. I'm going to browse here. Yes, the dates created at and updated also comes up with this time. Okay, so we able to do this as well. So in the next part, we are going to show these banners in the edit panel. We are going to implement the status toggle active inactive status using Ajax. And finally, we are going to delete the delete functionality for these banners as well. Okay. So we are going to work on these things in the next part. So please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.